Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Cherdack. One of the most frequently asked questions that we get is, can stem cell therapy regrow cartilage? The short answer to that question is yes. The degree to which we can regenerate cartilage depends a lot upon the patient's health status. So let me explain how this works. Degenerative or worn down cartilage happens from repetitive stress or aberrant motion over time. And what this does is it creates inflammation in the joint. And that inflammation never goes away because there's poor blood supply to the cartilage in all joints. And because of the poor blood supply, the cartilage never gets a chance to regenerate itself when it becomes injured. So this chronic inflammation over time begins to continually wear down the cartilage and wear down the cartilage and wear down the cartilage until the point where you finally get what's referred to as bone-on-bone arthritis. Now, you can arrest this degenerative process early by using stem cells and growth factors. And so what the stem cells do is the stem cells interact with the cartilage cells that are inflamed, and it causes them to stop the inflammatory process and calm them down so they're actually in a phase where they can begin to regrow and heal. And the stem cells combined with platelet-rich plasma and exosomes creates an environment where the cartilage cells are signaled to start regrowing and rebuilding cartilage. So, like I said earlier, the degree to which we can regrow cartilage depends a lot upon how bad the cartilage has been deteriorated, the health status of the patient, things like weight, things like activity, and other factors play into the degree to which we can regenerate the cartilage. But the answer to that question is yes, stem cell therapy is the only therapy out there that can actually regrow cartilage in a joint. So if you have degenerative arthritis, which is the definition of cartilage that's been degraded, and you're looking for a solution other than surgery, please reach out to our clinic by clicking on the link on the bottom of the description of this video, which will take you to our homepage, and you can fill out a free patient consultation, and our patient coordinator will reach right out to you and answer all of the questions you have.